we haunters love our hot tools. We use them to cut, carve, shrink, bend, texture, solder, and even to adhere. But the heat that makes them so useful can also make them hard to manage. Hot tools can scorch your work surface, melt their carrying cases, and burn your skin. There never seems to be a good place to put down your hot tool, and there's nothing worse than a glue gun oozing hot glue all over your work surface. So here's a quick tip. Silicone mats. Silicone mats easily handle the high heat. They can be labeled to warn others and to remind you that the tool resting on them is hot. They're cheap. For a few bucks, you can buy an iron mat, a trivet, or baking sheet made of silicone. I've got a couple that I keep with all my hot tools. Since they're with the tools, I never forget to grab one when I go get out my heat gun or portable soldering iron. And that means I always have a safe, convenient place to put down my hot tool, whether I'm working in the garage, the lab, or the cemetery. Best of all, hot glue ooze won't stick to silicone. Once it congeals and cools, it'll pop right off. You can find silicone mats almost anywhere that sells kitchen items, where you can find silicone trivets and baking sheets, small appliances, where you can find a silicone pad to rest your iron, and hairstyling products, where you can find silicone mats to place your curling iron. Save more money by buying a large sheet, cutting it up, and sharing it with your fellow haunters. I hope you have found this quick tip useful. Stay safe and happy haunting.